Hey, welcome back to Top Hat Smoking Barbecue. Do something a little different for you today. As you can tell, we're going to smoke a pizza. So we're going to put all our ingredients on, then we'll take it over to the smoker and we'll show you what we're going to do. So I've got some of this Don Pepino pizza sauce. You guys, everybody knows how to make a pizza. That part's not going to be so different. I'm just going to spread the sauce around. And we're going to put some pepperoni, some prosciutto, and some of these different spices we got here. So we'll get this pizza ready to roll. And give it a little extra kick here. We'll have that smoke on there, and it'll be different than your normal everyday pizza that you make every time. Give it a little bit of barbecue smoke flavor. Give you that wood fire flavor that all the restaurants charge you all that damn money for. Alright, so we're going to put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on here. Just get liberally as much as you want, doesn't matter. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this stuff here. We got some Italian herb. Put a little bit of that Italian herb stuff on there. We're going to have some garlic and onion. Put a little bit of that on there. And that's all we're going to use for today. So we're going to put our pepperonis on. Everybody knows how to make a pepperoni pizza. If you don't, well, you learn it today. And we're going to add some of this prosciutto, just for something a little different. And you know, we'll have us a good pizza. We're going to cook it on the smoker at about 400 degrees. It'll only take about 20 minutes probably. So this will be a quick cook. And you'll get to see what we got. So we're almost ready. We're going to put a little more cheese on this when we're done here, just to hold everything down. Take it over to the smoker. Put it on the smoker. Like I said, we got the smoker up at 400. So it should take, I don't know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes tops. Let's walk it over to the smoker, Jackson. See what we got. The smoker, as you can see, it's cranked up pretty good. We're going to put this right on the grate. Right there like that. Shut her down here. I'm going to push it back a little bit. It goes back a little bit. Yeah. There we go. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, we have something a little fun for you here while the pizza's still doing its thing. We got this thing. It's called a Breville smoke gun. And we're going to smoke some ice cream. You can smoke drinks, cheese, whatever you want with this thing. So this is our first try with this. We just got some natural vanilla from Breyers. And we're going to go like this. Put it in there. Everybody knows how ice cream works. John 6. Now you go like that. And you light this sucker up. Turn the fan on. You light the wood chips. And the smoke should start coming in. So you can see the smoke coming in. We're going to turn it down on the low setting and really let that smoke get in there. We'll let that smoke for about, I don't know, half a minute or so. And we're going to stir the ice cream up and we'll hit it again. This is a pretty neat little toy I got. It's the Breville smoke gun. As you can see, it just introduces a nice amount of smoke. We'll crank her high. Get that thing really cranked up. You can see the smoke escapes underneath. You could put probably a rag down or something that might seal it up, but not too bad. You get the idea of what's going on here. So we'll wait a couple more seconds and then we'll shut her down, stir it up, and give it a little bit more, and then we'll try it and see what smoked ice cream is all about. You can smoke your cocktails, bourbon, have a little smoke action. This is we're using these little apple wood chips that come with it. Alright, let's shut her down. Look at that nice smoke coming out of there. So we're going to stir it up a little bit. Flip it around here. Let that smoke get all over it. Alright, we'll try it again. Crank it on. Give it a little bit more fire. There we go. Actually, I might have to add a chip or two more. Apparently it burns pretty quick. So like that, and we'll hit it with the fire again. Here comes the smoke. Put it on low. Let that sucker really go in there. You can just see all that smoke's getting around there. It smells good. It's a nice apple smell. We'll have a little bit of ice cream before our pizza. Do a little reverse here. We'll have our dessert first. She's really cranked up pretty good now. You don't need the bowl. You could use saran wrap or whatever, you know, but this was a little attachment that makes the life easy. So let's see what we got. Smoke out, make it look cool for the effect. Yeah, it looks cool. Alright, so here comes the big reveal. Let's see what we got. Vanilla smoked ice cream. Well, that's exactly what it tastes like. Vanilla smoked ice cream. It adds a nice little smoke flavor to your ice cream. Just something a little different. Something fun to try. You get bored of doing the same thing. You can make whatever you want with this thing. Smoke some cheese, meats, whatever you got. Just gives it a quick little smoke touch to it. It doesn't infuse the food with the smoke. It just gives it a little smoky flavor. So we'll see you here when the pizza's done and ice cream good. Alright, we're back over here at the smoker. Just want to check out what the pizza's looking like. Alright, it's getting there. A little bit longer to go, but looking pretty good. Alright, we'll be back when it's done. Okay, here we are. Pizza's looking pretty good. Let me spin around here, make sure we're good. I think we're looking pretty good here. Everything's melted. Crust is looking nice and dark on the bottom. Alright, let's take her over there and see what we got. Smells like a pizza. Alright. Here we go. Smoked pizza. We're going to let her cool down for a minute and then we'll slice it up. So we'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, let it rest for a couple minutes here. And man, it is crispy. I can tell you that. That is really crispy. I like that. That Silverbac, Grilla Silverbac can smoke, it can grill, it can bake, it can cook a pizza. Alright, so let's see what we got. There you go, pepperoni, prosciutto, smoked pizza. Pizza tastes good, got that little bit, not an overbearing smoke. It did a really good job. It really crisped up the bottom. There you go. Pepperoni prosciutto smoked pizza on the Grilla Silverbac. A little bit of smoked ice cream in the intermission. Try it out. It's pretty cool.